Hello everyone. Today in this video we'll be discussing on a new topic. The topic name is shifting digits. In the earlier class we have learned some of the previous topics like ascending order, descending order and all those. So we are moving on with the next topic, that is shifting digits. Now what do you mean by shift? Generally, the meaning of shift is to move. So how we move the digits? Let us see. Before going to the concept of shifting digits, first of all, you should know what is called place value. So I guess you all have heard about this term called place value. So let us see the definition. It is defined as the value represented by a digit in a number on the basis of its position in the number. So where is the position of the number? That is called the place value. By giving an example, it will be more clear to you. For example, in the number 45, the digit 4 lies in the tens place and the digit 5 lies in the ones place. Okay, I guess this is clear now. Now how we can shift or move? We can shift or move the digits in a number from one place to another, thereby changing the value of the number. Yes, if we shift the digits in a number, definitely the value of the number will change. How it will change? Let us see another example. Say this. In the ones place, say the number 739. In the ones place, the digit is 9. In the tens place, the digit is 3. And in the 100th place, the digit is 7. Now if we shuffle or we shift or we move, whatever you say, the digits, then definitely we'll get a different number. So I have shifted the positions or the places or the place values, you can say, of the different digits, and here we get a different number. Before it was 739. I have shuffled or changed or shifted these places or the place values of these digits. So we can see here the number has totally changed. It was 739, now it is changed to 397. So this is simple, I guess. Now moving on. So in this way we can shift the digits, and by shifting the place values of the digits, the value of the number changes. Now moving on, introducing 10,000 and 1 lakh. Now first of all, let us look at the pattern. You can look here. 9 plus 1 will give us 10, which is equal to 10 into 1. So gradually the digits have increased, you can see. So as well as the value of the number has also increased. It was 999. So adding 1119 extra and just adding one number, that is 1, we will get this. So I guess this whole pyramidal structure is not much clear to you. So let us, why I gave this pattern, you will understand now. From this pattern, what we have observed is that, let us see the observation first, that the greatest single digit number, this is the greatest single digit number, 9. If we add 1 to it, we will get the smallest 2-digit number. This is the smallest 2-digit number. Similarly, the greatest 2-digit number, 99, if we add 1 to it, we will get the smallest 3-digit number. And in this manner, if we add the greatest number of that digit, say greatest 3-digit number or greatest 4-digit number, if we add 1 to it, we will get the corresponding smallest 3-digit number, smallest digit number of the other order. Okay, let me be clear to you again. Greatest 3-digit number 999. If we add 1 to it, we'll get 1000. Again, this is the greatest. 1000 is what? 1000 is the smallest 4-digit number. So you can see the pattern. Single, two, greatest 2-digit number we get smallest 3-digit number. If we add 1 to it, 3 digit, we get 4 digit, and 4 digit, we get 5 digit, 5 digit, we get 6 digit. So gradually, this is a pattern. Whenever we add 1 to the greatest number of the digit, we get the smallest number of the next digit. I hope you all have understood now, got some idea. Now moving on, expansion number. How do we expand the numbers? Now expansion of numbers is done depending on its place value, and it is done in the following way. So place value is very important term in all these concepts. So let us see how we expand the numbers. Say 36. If we are told to find out the expansion of 36, how will we find? It will be 36 will be equal to 3 into 10, since 3 is in the 10th position or the 10th place value, and 6 is in the 1's place value. So what you have to do is, you have to just multiply the digit with the place value. That's it. Other examples you can see, 345. Here also 3 is in the 100th place value, so it will be just you have to multiply it and nothing else. 4 is in the 10th place value, you have to multiply it 4, and then if we add all those numbers, we will get the resultant number. So whatever how big the number is, you have to just multiply with the place value. After multiplication with the place value, you have to just add all those numbers, we get the resultant number. So this is the expansion of numbers. Now moving on, there is something called Indian system of numeration. Also we'll get in the upcoming slide, that is the international system of numeration. So first let us understand what is Indian system of numeration, although you all know about it. Say this number. Now how will we say this number? Or how will we, if we are asked, what is this number? How will you represent this number? Or how will you write this number? Unless and until there is any system, we cannot represent or even say this number. So for representing in the Indian number system, let us see. This is the chart. There is the ones place, tens place, hundreds place, thousand, and 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, and 10 crore. So if you have to represent this number, we have to first put this number from right to the left, not from the left to the right. Always while placing the numbers, you have to place from the right to the left. This is the order. So we'll put all these numbers according to the place values. Then in words we can write this as 64 crore, 38 lakhs, 94,725. And if we have to write in numerals, then in Indian system, what the system that has been followed is, after the first 3 digits, that is the ones place, tens place, and hundreds place, we put a comma. Then gradually, after the 1,000 and 10,000s place, again 1 comma. Then after the lakh and 10 lakhs place, another comma. And then the crore and the 10 crore place, another comma. So the pattern that is being followed is 3 digit, then 2 digit, then 2, and again 2. So in this manner, we follow in the Indian system of numeration. This is very much clear because we always say the numbers in this pattern. So this is not much of difficulty to understand, I guess. So in this way, just by placing the numbers according to their place values, we can write the numbers in words as well as in numerals. And while writing in numerals, the positioning of the commas or placing the commas is very important. So in the Indian system, we have to place it after the first 3 digits you have to put a comma, then after again 2 digits, then comma, then 2 digits, then comma. Gradually whatever it will be after 2 digits. Only in the initial case, after 3 digits you have to put a comma, and then it will follow the same pattern, 2 digits, 2 digits, 2 digits. Okay, so now moving on. Next is the international system of numeration. What is there in the international system? Let us say same number I have taken. How will you represent in international system? For this also there is a chart. Now you can see here ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. This is similar to the Indian system, but after that it changes. 100,000, here it was lakh, but we don't write here lakh. There is 100,000, then million. Here it was 10 lakhs, but we have written it million. Then crore is written as 10 million, and after that it is 100 million. So similarly we'll put from right to the left. The pattern is same. These things have changed. These 4 columns have changed. So the inwards also it will change. It will be 643,894,000 and 725. Yes. And in numerals the comma position is also changed. Till here, till 725 it is same, just like Indian number system. But after that, we know in the Indian number system it was after 2 places, but here it is after every 3 places. So this thing is common. After 3 places, comma, then again after 3 places, comma, and it will gradually go in the similar fashion. After 3 places there will be comma in the international number system. So this chart is very important. You have to know this first, then you have to place it in that position, and then only you can write in words or in numerals. I hope this is clear. I'll make it more clear in the next slide. Let us see comparison of both the system. This is the same. The number is same, but these things have changed. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. In both the system it is same. But after that, 10,000 also it is same. In lakhs it is changed to 100,000. 10 lakhs it is changed to million. Crore has changed to 10 million. And 10 crore has changed to 100 million. This lower one is the international number system. And the upper one is the Indian number system. Now, in the last class there was a doubt that take 2 digits, say 2 and 3, make 4-digit numbers using this. So what is the greatest number? So the solution I have given here. If there are 2 digits, 2 and 3, we have to make 4-digit number by repeating these 2 digits, 2 and 3, equal number of times. So I have repeated it equal number of times. So these are the numbers that we can get. 2, 2 equal number of times, 3, 3 equal number of times. Then I have changed the position, shifted the digits. So in this way we can get 6 such 4-digit numbers by keeping the number of 2 and 3 same. So the greatest number will be 3,322 and the smallest number will be 2,233. So I hope this is clear to you now. Any other doubts you can ask, and please go through the books. And yes, I would request the students to please try out exercise 1 in your book, or whatever it is, 1.1. You can try it out in your book, and also please go through the books. Also try out other questions that are given in your book and write it down in your copy. So I hope you all have understood today's slide, and thank you all. Have a nice day.